Module 4, Data Integration. Overview of data integration. Data integration is the process of combining data from different sources and making it available for analysis, reporting, and other purposes. It involves collecting, cleansing, transforming, and consolidating data from various sources into a unified view that can be used for decision-making and other data-driven activities. Data integration is a critical step in creating a unified, consistent, and reliable data environment that supports the needs of an organization. There are several common approaches to data integration, including 1. Extract, transform, load, ETL. ETL is a traditional approach to data integration that involves extracting data from source systems, transforming it into a common format or structure, and loading it into a target data warehouse or data repository. ETL processes typically involve data extraction, data cleansing, data validation, data enrichment, and data transformation steps. ETL tools such as Apache NiFi, Talend, and Informatica PowerCenter are commonly used for building and managing ETL workflows. 2. Data replication. Data replication involves copying data from source systems to target systems in near real-time or real-time. This approach is often used for integrating data from transactional systems, such as databases or ERP systems, to data warehouses or data lakes. Data replication can be done using database replication tools or middleware solutions that capture changes in source systems and replicate them to target systems. 3. Data virtualization. Data virtualization is an approach that allows users to access and query data from multiple sources without physically moving or copying the data. Data virtualization tools provide a virtual layer that abstracts the underlying data sources, allowing users to access and combine data from different sources in real-time or near real-time without creating a physical copy of the data. 4. Application programming interfaces, APIs. APIs are interfaces that allow different software systems to interact with each other. Many applications and platforms provide APIs that can be used to integrate data from those systems into other applications or platforms. APIs can be used to extract data, update data, or perform other data integration tasks. Data integration is a complex and iterative process that requires careful planning, data mapping, data validation, and data quality control to ensure that the integrated data is accurate, consistent, and reliable. It is an essential step in creating a unified and trustworthy data environment that supports data-driven decision-making and business intelligence initiatives. ETL, extract, transform, load, process. The ETL, extract, transform, load, process is a common approach to data integration used in many organizations. It involves extracting data from source systems, transforming it into a common format or structure, and loading it into a target data warehouse or data repository. The ETL process typically includes the following steps. 1. Extract. In this step, data is extracted from various source systems, such as databases, applications, or external data sources. Data extraction can be done using various techniques, such as batch processing, incremental or delta extraction, or real-time extraction, depending on the requirements and characteristics of the data sources. 2. Transform. Once data is extracted, it is transformed to ensure it is in a consistent and usable format. Data transformation involves cleaning, validating, enriching, and reformatting data. It may also involve data aggregation, data deduplication, data normalization, or data enrichment using external data sources. 3. Load. After data is transformed, it is loaded into a target data warehouse or data repository. Data loading can be done using various techniques, such as batch loading, incremental loading, or real-time loading, depending on the requirements and characteristics of the target system. The ETL process is a critical step in data integration, as it ensures that data from different sources is cleansed, transformed, and consolidated into a unified and usable format in the target data warehouse or data repository. It enables organizations to integrate data from diverse sources, create a unified view of the data, and support data-driven decision-making and business intelligence initiatives. However, it also requires careful planning, data mapping, data validation, and data quality control to ensure that the integrated data is accurate, consistent, and reliable. Data integration techniques and tools. Data integration techniques and tools are used to combine data from different sources, transform it into a unified format, and load it into a target system for further analysis or processing. There are several techniques and tools available for data integration, depending on the requirements, complexity, and scale of the integration process. Some of the common data integration techniques and tools include 1. ETL, extract, transform, load. As mentioned earlier, ETL is a common data integration technique that involves extracting data from various sources, transforming it into a common format, and loading it into a target system. ETL tools, such as Apache NiFi, Talend, Informatica PowerCenter, or Microsoft SQL Server Integration Services, SSIS, are widely used for designing, developing, and managing ETL workflows. 2. Data virtualization. Data virtualization is a technique that allows data to be accessed and integrated from multiple sources in real time without physically moving or replicating the data. Data virtualization tools, such as Denodo, SAP Data Hub, or Cisco Data Virtualization, provide a virtual layer that abstracts the underlying data sources and presents a unified view of the data to users or applications. 3. API integration. Application Programming Interface, API. Integration involves using APIs to access and integrate data from different systems or applications. APIs define how different software components or systems interact with each other, and API integration can be used to fetch data from external systems or push data to them. Popular API integration tools include Postman, MuleSoft, or IBM API Connect. These are some of the common data integration techniques and tools used in the industry. The choice of technique or tool depends on factors such as data complexity, integration requirements, scalability, and performance considerations, as well as the organization's data integration strategy and architecture. It's important to carefully assess and select the appropriate data integration technique or tool based on the specific needs and goals of the integration process. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.